Naalangtan ako'y gusto ipasabot sa mga tao regarding the People's Initiative. First, you said that this was an action from the House Speaker. And I said that this is false. Why? Because the form itself has the House Speaker's name, the President, the Senate President, and the rest of the Filipino people. That's us. The People's Initiative is an effort, okay, to urge our government to finally talk about the Constitution and the amendments we need to make for our economy to recover. Pero ang kahirapan yan, sinisiraan po ito ng iba't ibang mga tao sa hindi ko alam na rason. Like for example, nagkakagulo sila sa Davao City because supposedly ang nagpapalakad sa Davao City ng People's Initiative ay si PBA Party List Congresswoman Migs Nograles. Sa hindi po nakakaalam, ang awayang Duterte at Nograles, ever since the world began pa po iyang away na yan. Ayaw ko makisali. Ayaw din dapat nating makisali kasi ang away ni Kong Pulong at ang away ni Kong Migs, hindi tayo kasali, guys, ha? Ang Davao City po ay hindi po ang buong Pilipinas. At nakakatawa ang sabihin, lalo na talaga sa mga tao na kilala ko sa Davao City, nung nakaraang eleksyon na sinabi nilang Davao is not for sale. The whole of Davao is not for sale. And besides, this is really not to buy your vote. Because kung may ayuda ka mang matanggap for signing the People's Initiative, it is an incentive. It is not buying your vote because this is not an election. It is simply to signal our government that the people want change. Akala ko ba gusto natin ng pagbabago? Ang pagbabago ay galing po sa mga signatures ninyo. Ang kahirapan sa mga Pilipino ay naniniwala kayo sa fake news. Naniniwala kayo sa chismis. Mag-iiba ba ang feeling nyo about sa People's Initiative na to kung ang mga Duterte ang nagpagawa? Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, si Senator Robin Padilla po ang unang tao sa Senado na nagsalita about the constitutional amendments, specifically in 7 economic provisions to allow foreign direct investment. Yan lang po yun. Sino ba ang nagsabi sa kanya na ito talaga ang ifa-fight niya sa Senado? Walang iba kundi ang favorite kong presidente na si PRRD mismo. Kaya nga ako sumama sa Baguio City sa kanya last year eh. February 10, 2023, gumawa po ako ng video, nakapajama ako noon, nakatali ang buhok ko, at in-explain ko sa inyong lahat that it is only the economic provisions that need to be amended in our Constitution to allow our economy to recover. Ang kahirapan yan, ginawa na namang panira kay House Speaker at ginawa na namang pamumulitika ng mga taong may personal na away sa kanilang mga distrito. Guys, pwede ba? Walang eleksyon. Ang signature mo, hindi rin yan impeachment complaint. And besides, kahit man anong gawin yung paninira, your signature is simply a call to action. Alam nyo ba na may mga batas na isinulat ang Kongreso na pinasa na nila sa Senado na walang action? Katulad na lang ng pagtaas ng sweldo ng mga teachers at nurses. Akala nyo ba hindi yan ginawa ng action ng Congress? Akala nyo ba na hindi na nakuha ni House Speaker Martin Romualdez ang supermajority? Yan na nga ba sinasabi ko? Kasi naniniwala kayo sa fake news and you don't even bother to research or understand what you are signing. If hindi kayo na-inform, that's really something that you need to go back to your barangay officials and ask them why. Pero ako, when I found out that this People's Initiative finally took off, ako po mismo ang pumunta at naghanap sa listahan na ito at ako rin po ang nag-urge at nag-explain sa mga kasama ko na magsasign kami dito dahil ang laming signature ang aming ambag para sa pagbabago ng Pilipinas. Ang pagbabago po ay ang pagpapapasok po ng pera na desperately kailangan po natin. Ang sinasabi nyo, ay nako, nanakawin na naman yan. Saan po banda ang pagnanakaw kung investments po yan? Paano po tayo aangat? Katulad ng ating mga karatig bansa, if we don't even try to ask for foreign help. Ang kahirapan kasi, nabubulsa ang foreign help dahil pera ng ibang bansa pinupunta dito kaya nabubulsa. Pero pag direct investment po sa mga lugar-lugar all over sa Pilipinas, tayo po lahat ang uunlad. Hindi na lang po 385 pesos ang Caraga rate. Hindi lang po yan ang minimum wage. Paano nga naman tatasan ang minimum wage kung mismo dito sa Caraga region, wala ka namang makikitang pabrika, wala ka namang makikitang foreign investment, at wala ka rin namang makikitang chance para umangat ang pangkabuhayan ng kapwa ko Pilipino. And then now, nauuna kayo dahil nagagalit lang si Kong Pulong? I know the anger of Kong Pulong. But what I do not understand is the rest of the Philippines reacts the same way. Hindi dapat. Uulitin ko. Ang nangyayari po sa Davao City is not the same as what happens everywhere else. Understand that the People's Initiative is from the people, for the people. This is to amend the Constitution that has made the Philippines the most restrictive state when it comes to foreign direct investment that we so desperately need as a country, not only to survive, but to properly put ourselves. Diba? Emerging economies actually need foreign help. Why do you think so many of our rich neighbors are rich as they are? No, hindi po umuulan ng pera doon. Pero umuulan ng foreign direct investment dahil ang mga ekonomiya at mga bansa nila hindi katulad ng Pilipinas na napaka-restrictive. Paano nga naman? Inuuna kasi ng kapwa ko Pilipino ang chismis kaysa intindihin kung ano talaga ang pangangailangan natin at ang pirma mo ay hindi naman binibili na boto. At wala ring mai-impeach dahil sa pagpirma mo. Pero yun nga, nauuna ka kasi na loyal sa mga politiko imbes na maging loyal ka sa bansa mo. Imbes na maging loyal ka sa pagbabago dahil yan naman 'di ba ang rason kung bakit ka bumoto sa Uniteam? Yan kasi. Kasi inaangkin mo ang away na hindi naman sayo. Ang away ho natin dito, ladies and gentlemen, ay para po gumanda ang buhay natin. Pirma mo na nga lang ang ambag mo, ang dami mo pang sinasabi. Kung ayaw mong pumirma, it's fine. Nobody is forcing you. Ang hindi ko lang gusto is that you're gonna lie about a people's initiative that has nothing to do with the House Speaker, that has nothing to do with the impeachment of Vice President Sara Duterte, or the fact that it's going to harm any Duterte. Do you really think that I will allow anything to happen to PRRD? No. Until now, I stand with him and support him. And I know, and that's why I stood with Senator Robin Padilla for the amendment of the Constitution in its 7 economic provisions, because this is exactly what PRRD wanted even before he stepped down as president. Okay? Need I remind everybody kung under what party si Senator Robin Padilla? PDP Laban. So am I. Okay? Ang kahirapan kasi dyan, you associate everything with House Speaker Martin Romualdez, kaya nasisira ang isang bagay na has nothing to do with him naman sana. Just because may nakalagay na speaker sa form, wala na, nakalimutan na ang Senate, nakalimutan ng ibang mga lugar. No. Okay? Because the Senate President is just as important as the House Speaker. And for the Senate to move, the people must urge it to do that. Because the supermajority has already been declared by the Congress. Alam niyo ba yan? That the constitutional change has a record-breaking, history-making co-authors that has never been achieved by any other House Speaker in the history of the Philippines. And you think that the House Speaker will need to do something like this when he already has the supermajority? Absolutely not. Ang atin pong pirma ay hindi po makakatanggal na kahit na sino mang tao. Kung ganyan naman pala, di nagpirmahan na lang sana tayo at hindi na nag-eleksyon. So please lang, ladies and gentlemen, read the form. Understand the constitutional amendments that we need and we have been fighting for ever since last year. And listen to Senator Robin Padilla. Yan kasi ang kahirapan. You listen to people who have a personal fight against other politicians in this country that has nothing to do with the Filipino people. And then you call me a traitor. No. It's better to be informed than to be lied to. Kaya nga tayo hindi umuunlad because we do not have an open mind when it comes to what is right and what is worth fighting for in this country. And I hope you realize something after watching this video. Ingat!